what just occurred to me?
What?
It's probably really bad to breathe.
I'm going to say probably yes.
You're going to give me a little dust mask. All right, Paul. I'm respirating. I got my Avitech safety shades.
And you are not my father.
Not even close. Way sexier than this.
That was a Star Wars reference.
That's the one with Darth Maul.
Darth Vader.
Okay.
And Luke.
He's the guy that lived at the Skywalker Ranch.
Okay. Never mind. Just never mind. Troubles, bubbles?
There's no... The panel I'm cutting is inset deep into this.
Then cut it from this side.
Hey! I can't. I can. Give me a second. You're right.
Yay.
45 millimeters is what we were going for.
Yes.
Oh,
What you got?
come take a look at that shit.
45.24.
By...
45.34.
I'd like to point out I laid that out. Show them what... Here, this is what I used to lay that out.
Marvelous.
That and a Sharpie. I got to do some file work to clean up the corners. Here, I'll take that.
We'll see if it'll fit.
It's not going to fit till I do some file work to clean up the corners.
Okay.
I've got too much shit in the corner. I'm not an arm. And cool.
Got a little warm?
Dad just got a hot supper. Oh, that was fun. Avitech, I love you. Thank you. Saved my life. The reason I can still pee straight is because of Avitech. And the reason it burns when I pee is because of Mark. Grab this big bastard. Get it?
Yeah.
Get it?
Bastard file. Yes.
This is going to make a pleasant sound. Oh, that's a wonderfully deburred. Before anybody complains about my filing technique, I blame this old Tony for everything I know about a file.
I mistrust handles on files.
If you really mistrust handles on files, you got to get a power file machine. Mm-hmm. This old Tony will teach you all about it. And now you know what it hears like to have the Tin Man in the hotel room next to you. That'll do.
I was going to town with a rat tail file once on a block of sandstone. How you doing?
I'm so fucking close.
Oh, look at that.
Motherfucker!
Beautiful.
Look at that from the front. Look at that shit from the front. My God, it's beauty and majesty. Are you beholding my awesomeness, Mr.
Yeah,
Kidwell?
beholding the office.
Behold my awesomeness.
Yes.
With both hands, motherfucker. Both hands. All right. Give me the clippity bit.
I'm thinking. Okay.
Don't think. You ain't paid to fucking think.
I'm thinking.
Give me clippity bit.
Don't clip it in permanent because we got to get to the screw holes on the bottom side for the connections down there.
All right.
So we're going to do the wiring. We're going to draw it out, do the wiring on the outside.
Okay. Just make sure you pass the wires through the
thing.
clippity bit.
Yes.
Okay. It's all you. I did the heavy lifting.
All right.
Now you bring the art.
Okay. Here, take
You've
the camera.
got skill, Mr. Kidwell, and
I got
nothing
something
but
to
faith
show
in
you. Give me the bat. One day I was going to town on a file. You know, you're holding it like that, and
Yeah.
you're doing what you're supposed to do. And this arm came back, but that arm didn't.
Oh.
And then this arm came forward, and right there, 2 stitches. I remember pulling the thing up, and my file was like hanging out of my hand at an angle.
That ain't
It's
like,
like-
right.
I go running in and freaking out. Mom, it's like
How old were you?
14.
You had to be real young if there was mom.
Yeah.
Fuck.
So, but no, it's like the end of the file went right in there, and it was a clean.
That's the
puncture.
wound right
That's the
there.
wound right
That's a
there.
wound.
Yeah.
Cool.
Ouch.
I never did that one.
Yeah.
Give it time. I'm just, I'm still learning how to file. But everything you need to know about filing, you can learn from this old Tony. He knows stuff. We'll be back.
We're doing things.
Doing things! So, time is, it's on the fucking wall right there, 1811 hours. And, we got a little computery bit in here, doing stuff. A little Ogden. This is actually sent in viewer mail. So, thank you, sir, for sending us in for viewer mail. Because it just saved Moose's butt. This is, Paul and I built a thing for Moose. And you can see the motor that I rebuilt down in there with all the new things and a new wire and ceramic wire nuts, which is kind of fucking cool. And Paul just did the solid state relay, which is working off your dingus. We got programmed that, Paul.
Go ahead and program that.
I believe in you.
But we got warm air coming out.
There's warm air coming out, but it's not going to stop till it hits 450 degrees, and that's a little bit much.
All right.
This is going to be cool. Paul's going to program a thing. We'll be back. It's working! So now we got to wait and see if it makes it all the way to 100 and if it turns off.
Solid state relay.
Oh, so the red out is that's the solid state relay actually.
On.
Yeah, pulse modulating.
Temperature right now. As it sees it start going down, it'll start pulsing a little bit to try to keep it on track.
That is so cool. So the red out is the actual. When the red out is on, the output is on.
Yes.
So we're pulse width modulating the output.
Well, probably not the proper term, but yeah, we're pulsing the output to maintain the temperature.
Okay. Well, it seems to be doing a good job. It's holding it like just over 100 degrees.
I don't know what the range is set to, but I think it's going to hold it between 100 and 100.9.
Well, we're down to 99.9 and it's kicking in. That's neat.
They're not full on because we're below 100.
And it doesn't damage the heater coil at all?
Nope.
Doesn't care?
Nope. Heater coil is just a resistant load. So it don't care at all.
So you know what our next step is, Paul?
What's that?
We gotta add like Arduino or something to this
Yeah.
so that we can have it make a chart on a web page.
Wouldn't be an Arduino. It'd be
Raspberry
the same-
Pi?
No, it'd be the same sort of thing that we have on the back of the little display screens.
Okay.
It's got a Wi-Fi chip built in.
We gotta make this Wi-Fi enabled and reporting its temperature and cycles and charts and graphs and shit on a web page.
We can do that. These Dallas Semiconductor temperature probe, which is digital and rather accurate.
Ooh, you know what we should also measure?
What?
The humidity inside the chamber
As the... No,
as it dries.
as it dries.
That'd be cool. Alright guys, you have fun. Paul and I made a thing and it works and it's cool. We'll see you next time.